Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional Indian fry bread or Native American fry bread. And then this is what's used to make Navajo tacos, or you could also do a sweet breakfast variety as well. Fry bread in general has been around for many years. Different cultures have their own variations of it, and this is just a particular one that I am going to show you. And it's really simple to do, only 4 to 5 ingredients. If I can do it, you can do it. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. Down below in the description box, you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts. So first I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour here, and I'm going to put them in this big bowl. And now I have 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then we're going to get a whisk and we'll whisk this all together. Okay, and now we have water, and I'm going to just add it, not all at once. This is about a cup of water. I'm going to add almost all of it in, and we are going to mix this together until we get a dough. Okay, and then I have clean hands, so switch to clean hands here, and we want to knead this dough. This is still a little bit too dry. You don't want it to be completely dry, so I'm just going to add a little bit more water, just shy of a cup of water. And so it should be slightly sticky, just slightly sticky. Add some flour to the surface, very clean surface. And we're going to just knead this dough. Exercise that gluten in the flour, and we'll just knead it until it gets nice and smooth, so 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, and I'm just going to pat it down and kind of shape it into a nice thick disc. And now it's ready to go. Now we need to let this rest. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit of flour underneath it. And then I'm going to take a clean towel, just cover that dough, and then I'm going to let the dough rest for about 30 minutes. And once the dough has had time to rest, we can fry these up. So I have a pot of oil, about 1 inch thick of cooking oil. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, shortening, lard, and I have the heat set to medium, and we want to bring the temp to right around 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. And now let's divide the dough, and then you can do this whatever size that you want your fry bread. I'm just going to do some thirds here to make 6 of them. And then got some flour on the surface. You can just pat them down. And then let's roll these out. Not quite as thin as you would like a tortilla, but still fairly thin. About like that. And once they are rolled out, we can head over to the oil and fry these up. I'm going to take this one, put it in. Again, 350 Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius. And we're going to fry it on both sides for a couple minutes until nice and golden brown. And be very careful because the oil is hot. Not quite ready. All right, look at that. You can go a little darker. Okay. And once you have them fried up, you can serve them. Now you can make a Navajo taco, which is fry bread, and then on top of it, you put all your favorite taco seasonings. So it's like an open face taco, and instead of using a tortilla, you use fry bread as the base. Usually there'll be beans, either refried beans or just whole beans, sometimes taco meat as well, and then cheese, lettuce, tomato, olives, sour cream, pretty much the standard fixings that you would put with a normal taco. And then a sweet way is you can use like strawberry jam, any kind of jam that you want, any kind of syrup, any of your favorite toppings that you would put on like pancakes or waffles you can do. A classic sweet way is just to get some honey, a little bit of honey, drizzle on some honey, and then come in here with some powdered sugar. Oh yeah. And you can put more or less toppings, totally up to you. It's your fry bread. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me to dive into this. Oh yeah. So good. The texture is like crispy and then soft. Just depends on how thick that you make the dough. Oh, so good.